Hi guys, it's Nikki, creative Nicki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you really quickly 3 different ways on how to start a chain and then a row of single crochet. The normal and the most typical way, the most commonly used way is this one, where you're just simply going into the back loop of the chain in order to create your first row of single crochet. This way is the chainless foundation chain, where you're creating the chain and the single crochet row at the same time. And then this one would be where you're going into the back bumps. Now these two allow you to show V's on the top and the bottom, as you can see here. And then this one only shows the V's on the top. So I don't like this way too much, but I'll show you still how to do this and then compare to the other. Okay, so let's start with the first example. This is how most common way how people do it. They make their chain just like you see right here, and then you go in a back loop and you create your single crochet. Very easy, very simple, but it's kind of being pulled, as you can see here, and it's kind of loose. And also it is thinning out on the bottom and it's a little thicker on the top. I personally don't like how it looks like on the bottom. It's just like a line, and I don't like it too much. So another way would be this way, where you create the chain and the single crochet at the same time. Now I have a very detailed tutorial online, and you can see the link in the description, so make sure you click that. I'm just showing you very quickly how I do it, but I'm not showing you a step-by-step example on how to do it. The example I have online shows you for half double crochet, and treble crochet as well. Okay, so here you're just going through 2 loops. Okay, chaining up, then making another loop and going through 2 loops, and that way you make your row of your chain and your single crochet at the same time. Now this is my most favorite way, actually. This is how I like to do my first row. So this is my chain on the bottom, and then I flip it around so I see the back bumps, and that's where I go into to create my single crochets. I find it the most neatest way than any of the other ways. So, but it's totally up to you on how you do it. Here you can see the V's are here as well as here. Same for this. You see it on both sides. This one does not show it. Only shows it on the top, but not on the bottom. So I prefer these two. But I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to click on the link in the description for more detailed information. And thanks for watching, guys. Like the video, please, and share it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.